Hello, welcome to Vroom. It's Andrew again, and today we're going to do a dodgy little low production video because I'm out of time. So this arrived. What is this, you may ask? This here is a rocker shifter arm thingamajiggy for my Roadster. So let's have a quick look. Here she is, my little beauty, well, big beauty, 1200 cc's of Harley Davidson goodness. And down here you have the shifter. So here it is here. What I thought I'd try is, because at the moment I've got really dodgy motorcycle shoes, and it kind of, I thought this might be better. Anyway, I thought I'd give it a go. I'll put the link below. Here it is. This is the rocker heel and toe shifter for the Harley, and I've seen a few videos on the internet that made me want to buy one because it looks pretty cool. Should make it a bit easier to shift. I am looking at a recluse clutch maybe in a couple of weeks, but for now I'm just going to try this, and then we might do the clutch later so that it becomes sort of like a scooter. All right, let me put this on. Boom, there it is. Okay, so have a quick look at this. Yep, I can see the problem straight away that I'm going to have.
I'm recording.
It's recording me.
What the? Just like that.
Yeah.
What? With your feet?
Yeah, this is at my foot because this is the main part.
Okay, well I'll just.
Yeah. Uh-oh. So this looks good. Oh, it's so windy. This part looks great. But have a look at the clearance here. That is so short. That's not going to work at all. I can tell straight away because I like to rest my foot on here. There's no gap here. Ay. Looks okay. Concept's good. But yeah, it's not going to work. Oh well, like I said, sometimes it's my service to show you things not to buy, and this might be one of those videos where, once again, I've spent my money so that you don't have to spend yours. Yeah. Okay, I'm still keen on the concept though, so I'll see what I can do. So I might see there's some other brands out there, something a bit better than just from this stuff from Aliexpress, but I think it's going to be below. Might be better on forward controls or rear controls, but definitely not going to work on these mid controls on my Roadster. All right, well, thank you to everyone who's subscribed recently. Channel's been really growing really fast, and thank you for your support. So yeah, this here, it's a no-go, everyone. Just didn't fit, and yeah, a little bit sad and disappointed, but it looks so good. Actually, it actually looks really quite nice, but yeah, didn't work this time. If you are a new visitor to the channel, please subscribe, say hello, comments below, and yeah, see you at the next video.